Today in Tech Talk 101 SD, we are going to see how you can delete Snapchat account using your phone. Now, generally in Snapchat app, you won't find the option to delete the account. So follow my steps to delete Snapchat account. Open Snapchat. On the left hand top corner, you'll see profile. Tap on that. Now on the right hand upper corner, you will see the settings, the gear icon. Tap on that. Now scroll a little down and on support section, you will see I need help. Tap on that. Now tap on the search option and you should see there delete my account. Tap on that. Else you can type that in. How do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account? Now it will state how you can deactivate or delete your account from Android or from the web, also from iOS. Tap on the link and enter your username, then tap on next. Verify if it asks. Now on portal, you will see option delete my account. Tap on that. It will ask you for your password. Just enter it and tap on continue. Now it will wait for 30 days before deactivating or deleting your account. So do not log in for that time period or else it will once again reactivate your account. Hope this was helpful to you. See you next time.